No claims bonus, NCB, no claims discount, or NCD, no matter what you call it, it is an important word when it comes to insurance. As a learner driver, you may be wondering if you can benefit from a no claims bonus or if you have to miss out until you are a full license holder. In this video, we will cover what a no claims is, if learner drivers can earn them, and how this can help when you pass your test. After you learn to drive, there are many costs to consider. Insurance companies often view new drivers as high risk. This is because they are new on the road and do not have much experience at first. As you get older, earn a no claims bonus, and have more experience with driving, your insurance premiums will often reduce. However, if you pass your test, you may be able to reduce the cost of your first full license insurance by earning a no claims bonus before you pass. But firstly, what is a no claims bonus? Having a no claims bonus lets an insurer know that you have had no fault claims on the policy. This gives them reassurance that you are a safe driver and less of a risk on the road compared to drivers that have claims. Depending on the number of years you are claim free, you can accumulate your no claims. For example, driving for 4 years without any claims can build up a 4 years no claims bonus. This could reduce your premium by 30%, rising to 60 to 65, according to the British Insurance Broker Institute. If you have a fault accident, your no claims will be impacted unless you have a protected no claims. This is often an additional add-on on some insurance policies. So, can a learner driver earn a no claims bonus? Some learner driver insurance companies will allow you to start building your no claims before you even pass your test. This is often dependent on the type of cover you have, how long you have it for, and other conditions of your policy. With Collingwood Insurance, you have the potential to earn your no claims bonus at an accelerated rate. We issue out no claims bonuses as long as you have 10 months of uninterrupted claim-free cover. Each insurer has their own criteria, so it is important to read any terms and conditions to understand if you will earn a no claims bonus. Having a no claims as a full license holder could benefit you in the long run, so it may be a good idea to set up a learner driver policy as soon as you start learning to drive, so you have the maximum amount of time to earn your no claims. If you set up a policy later in your learning to drive journey, you may only have a few months till your test, which is not enough time to earn a no claims. Along with this, you also get the added benefit of extra driving practice outside of your lessons, which could help you to pass your driving test. The DVSA recommends that drivers get 45 hours of driving lessons and 22 hours of private practice before taking their test. But will a no claims discount save you money on full license insurance? Having a no claims discount shows the insurer that you are a responsible driver that can drive safely. This may help to reduce the cost of your insurance after you pass your test. Not every insurer will acknowledge a no claims discount from a learner policy though, so it's a good idea to shop around and ask when you are setting up your full license insurance to find an insurer that will consider your no claims discount or accelerated no claims bonus. This can lead to cost savings as a full license holder. So that is everything you need to know about building a no claims as a learner driver. Make sure you are checking all your policy details and understand how you can earn your no claims bonus, and be sure to try and use this with your insurance after you pass your test. If you are a learner driver looking for more tips, be sure to subscribe to see future videos. Thank you for watching and safe driving.